Hello everyone, you are welcome back to Kele Kitchen, where comfort food meets simple goodness. Yes, today what are we making? We are making a hearty classic mashed potatoes with sausage and veggies. Very warm, flavorful and satisfying. If today is your first time, this is Kele Kitchen. To all my returning subscribers, thank you very much for watching our videos. Without wasting much time, let us dive into the kitchen. Yes, these are the list of the ingredients that we are going to use to make this warm, flavorful, delicious mashed potato. Please do well to subscribe to our channel, like our video, send us your comments, tell us where you are watching from so that we can give you a shout out in our next video. Yes. So we start by peeling the potatoes, and after that we also peel our carrots. After that you wash, you slice them into pieces, and then we boil. Yes. So please do well to watch this video till the end, because towards the end we are going to make a yummy sauce creamy cheese that we are going to use to enjoy this mashed potato. Yes. And today's shout out goes to Cynthia Lulu. Thank you for watching our videos. And our next shout out goes to Yuki Chili, watching all the way from the Philippines. Thank you for stopping by. It means so much to us. Yeah. So after that, you go ahead and wash the potatoes, rinse it, and then it's time for you to boil. You will boil the potato until it is very soft and tender, so that you can be able to mash it very well. Yes. So as the potato is gradually cooking, in a saucepan we add a little oil, and then it's time for us to sizzle our sausage. You are going to sizzle your sausage on a low heat to avoid it getting burnt. Yeah. So gradually you go ahead and sizzle the sausage you are going to use. Feel free to use any amount of potatoes you like, and also amount of the sausage you like. So after 10 minutes, while the potato is boiling, we are going to season with some salt to taste. So after seasoning it, then cover the pot and allow the potato to cook very well until it is very soft. So we now go straight to cut our vegetables. Here you can use any vegetable of your choice. I am using carrots and some frozen peas. Add water in a pan and bring it to a boil. So when the carrots start boiling, you can add your peas now. Add a little salt to taste and cover it and allow it to cook. If you are still watching up to this moment, that means you like this video. Yes, so I'd like you to give us a like, subscribe to our channel. If you have not done that, hit on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we upload a new video. Yes. So after sizzling the sausage, it is now ready. You set it aside and then check on your veggies. The veggies is also ready. You set it aside as well. So we check on the potatoes. It is now very soft. So we rinse out the water, add some milk, add some butter, and then we are going to mash it very well. Mash it very, very soft. So I went ahead, I added some potato water so that it can be very, very soft. So after that, you go ahead and mash it again until you achieve a good consistency that you like. Yeah. So after that, you test the potato to see if you needed to add more seasoning. So I later added some salt again. So feel free to adjust it to your taste. So after that, you mix, and then the mashed potato is ready to. So set the potato aside. Then after that, we are going to make a sauce, a creamy cheesy sauce that we are going to use to enjoy this mashed potato. Yes. So in a clean saucepan, you add some water. Then after that, you add some flour. So after the flour, with your whisk, you go ahead and whisk and mix it very well. Then you bring it to a boil on a low-medium heat. Start mixing until the sauce thickens. Yeah. So please keep an eye here so that it will not get burned. So after that, I added a little amount of milk. I added my cheese. So after the cheese, I added some parsley. Mix it very well to combine. And after that, I added some dill leaves. This is optional. If you don't have dill leaves, you can skip this part. So you go ahead, you slice it into small, and then you add it in the pan. Then go ahead and mix everything together to combine, and then your sauce is ready to serve. So in a clean dish, just go ahead and serve this mashed potato according to your choice, according to your taste, according to your design. Yeah, as you can see here now, we've just served this, and here we serve it alongside with the sausage and the veggies. Here comes the sauce. This creamy cheesy sauce brought this mashed potato to another level of yumminess. Yes, so go ahead and try it and let us know in the comment section of how everything turned out. As you can see here, our dish is looking so good, delicious. Yes, so go ahead and tell us if you are going to make this delicious dish. One thing I like about this dish is that once you finish eating it, it will be calling for water. It will make you always to thirst for water. That's one thing I like about this dish. And if you are still watching up to this moment and you have not yet subscribed, what are you still waiting? Just hit on the subscribe button and your notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we upload a new video. Here comes the end of our video, and I will see you in the next video. Please do well to check other videos in Kele Kitchen. Yes, bye.